In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Inkscape. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I will begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with the Inkscape installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Inkscape homepage. Here I will click on Download Now, and then I will click on Windows Installer Package. And then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I will click on it, then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have my installation file and also the template NuGet package. I will double click on the NuGet package, and it opens up with NuGet Package Explorer. And because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on Tools. I will select Add Existing File, and I will select the installation file that I have in my Downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Now I will double click on Chocolatey Install and on the Edit button right here. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that is responsible for executing the installation from the package. Basically, it finds the installation file inside of the package, it executes the installation, and after that it removes the installation file from the computer. So to copy this snippet, I will click on the button right here, then I will go to my package and insert the snippet here. And for it to work, we need to provide few values. For example, here we need to provide our installation file name. And for that, I will go back to my downloads folder. I will right click on the installation file, select rename. Then I will select full name to include the extension, and then I will copy the name. Then I will go back to my package and insert the value. For the package name, I will enter Inkscape. For file type, I will enter MSI because we are using an installation file .msi. And also we need to provide silent switches because we want Chocolatey to execute the installation silently. And for that, I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have all the necessary silent switches. So I will click on the button right here to copy the values, go back to my package and insert them here. And that's it for this script. Now we can save it and let's go back. And now I need to provide few bits of information about the package, so I will click on this Edit button. For the package ID, I will enter Inkscape. Then for the package version, I will enter the version number that I see here in the installation file name, so it's 1.3.2. For the authors, you can enter whatever you like, and for the description, I will enter my Choco package. You can enter whatever description you like. And that's it for the piece of information here. Now we can save the values, and now we need to save the package. So for that, I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it in my Downloads folder. And I will be using my Downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository when I will be trying to install the package. So let's click on the button Save. And that's it, now we have our package. And now I will try to install this package, and for that I will open my terminal application and I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to install the software. And here I will type choco install, then we need to provide our package ID. In this case, it's the value right here, Inkscape. So let's enter Inkscape, and because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to add -s and provide the Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive and downloads folder. And I will also add -y, and let's press enter and let's see what's going to happen. And that's it, the package was successfully installed. If I go to my start menu, we can see it in my recently added program list. If I click on it, it opens up and seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.